Scientists have put forth a theory known as the Big Crunch theory, that in the future, after the universe has come to the end of its lifespan, it could contract into one big whole singularity. What will happen to the universe in the future? Scientists' conjectures about whether or not the universe has a lifespan are wrong. The universe itself is life, so it is eternal. As such, it is the place of absolute emptiness, from which all creations are made and return to. The lifespan that man speaks of has an end, a limit in time. Time does not exist for the universe. It just exists as it is. Man looks at this universe from his own viewpoint and speaks of a lifespan, but this is because man's mind judges things to be the same as him. The universe does not have a lifespan. In terms of truth, if the universe had a lifespan, there must be somewhere that it came from and which it will return to. But because there is nowhere that it came from or will go back to, it has no lifespan. The span of its life does not ever come to an end, so the Big Crunch theory is wrong. The future of the universe is to remain forever just as it is, with the repetition of the real substance coming into existence of form and then disappearing. There is no truth other than this, and the universe is something that neither expands nor contracts.